considering we are in the most safest country in the world right now, Dubai, during the pandemic. So what do you see? What do you see the future when it comes to investments in the property business?
Yeah, so Dubai's market has been driven by outside investments, obviously. New people are coming, new investors are coming all the time. Dubai as a brand has always portrayed itself as, and it has stood with the brand image of being a safe country in the world in general.
Yeah.
Safety otherwise, and safety for your money, safety for your investment. And in this crisis of pandemic, I think the Dubai brand has even become stronger.
Yeah.
So Dubai has demonstrated, I would not say only portrayed, demonstrated that they can manage crisis situations and they can always come out stronger in any kind of crisis. I know a lot of Indians, I know a lot of Europeans who are now taking Dubai more seriously as a second destination because they understand that in a situation like this, Dubai has the ability to handle it well. I know a lot of friends from India, little bit disillusioned about what's happening there.
Yeah.
Obviously we are a country of 1.3 billion people.
Billion, yes.
Yeah, so things are not always managed.
Yeah.
But people who have earned their wealth, people who have reached somewhere in their life, they want to have a second home, a destination where they can feel safe in situations like this.
Yeah. And Dubai is making me feel safe right now, considering.
I mean, you've just come back from Delhi, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you feel, the difference?
It's there. I'm here without a mask. The air is brilliant. It's so scenic here. Yeah, it's like, I would say it's like the old days before the pandemic.
Dubai as a brand, Dubai as an investment destination, Dubai as a place to live away from home. Dubai is making that image and protecting that image and growing that image that you can come here, feel safe, get the best treatment, live a good lifestyle, and enjoy your life in Dubai.
I'm enjoying my life right now. Look at this view. This is brilliant. So, do you think this is the right time for someone to invest in Dubai?
So, real estate is a cyclical market, right? So, we've been in a downward cycle for a long time in Dubai now.
Okay.
This pandemic was giving us actually a feeling that this downward cycle will not end. But I'll tell you something, what has happened is, post-pandemic, because of what I just told you, because of this brand of Dubai becoming stronger, everybody wants to have a piece of it. And we've seen a huge demand coming in against all our expectations into villas, townhouses, land, and now into properties like apartments, and investors are coming in. What I can say by looking at the movement is that the market has reversed its trend. I can strongly say, $1.3 billion transactions in last 4 or 5 days. $1.3 billion dirham in one day.
Wow,
it was the land apartments transaction. So the Q4 has been the strongest quarter in 7 years. So this is now the Dubai market coming back, in making. So I think the faster you enter, the better it is, because I see it very, very strongly coming back in 2021. It's already come back.
Yeah, it is.
So it will not appear so, because you will still see that there are vacancies, there are still, the economic revival is still pending for Dubai, which is coming. But the real estate revival is actually taking the lead, which happens every time in Dubai. The real estate is actually 60% of its economy. So if real estate booms, the economy follows. And real estate booms from outside investors coming and investing in Dubai, which we are seeing strongly. There are a few other factors. The Israel market opening, they coming with long-term visas. They are giving now full 100% ownership. So the government also, what it does is it puts fuel to the fire. So there has to be a spark, and it adds the fuel. So the spark is there, and the government has started adding the fuel. It will only be a fire, and hopefully a very big bonfire.
It will be.
Yeah.
But yes, you're absolutely right, because the pandemic, it gave a very feeling to each and every human being on planet.
Yeah.
They wanted to be secure.
Yes.
They wanted to have, everyone was under house arrest.
Correct.
Even if you're living in a 1 BHK, if you live in a township, everyone was. And considering if you have to go on a lockdown, if you're living in a place like this, I mean,
Yeah.
why not? You would want
So
to.
one major thing which I have been telling people in the last few days, this pandemic has brought to our psychology, is we were very, very location centric when it was coming to real estate. People have put the priority of space above location now, in my opinion. So I don't mind traveling 15 minutes, but I need space for my family to move around, for my kids to enjoy themselves in the house. Earlier we were getting out of the house more often, so we wanted a location so that we can go here, go there, go where. But now the space has taken over the location. So now the economics of real estate market is changed. So I don't mind travel, but I want a location like this,
And
where I can.
You were just telling me a
Yeah.
few minutes back that if you come reside, someone resides here, they're definitely gonna add some 4 to 5 years to their life.
I mean, you know, waking up to a nature in the morning.
Yeah.
You know, we are all living in the concrete jungles and working in concrete jungles the whole day. Nature adds happiness. I mean, you know, we both are smiling wider because of these trees right now, in my opinion, because of this beautiful waterfall. So this is what Dubai gives you, the lifestyle, the happiness, the peace. This is not the only location like this. There are many locations which are giving you, which are a little bit far away from the downtown. I personally think people have chosen these locations over the centric locations now. And I think this is going to happen around the world.
It will. But Dubai is seeing it right now.
Yeah, we can feel it right now.